have just set up our site at the Lake Monduran holiday park. So we're here for 3 nights. It's a great little camping spot. We can have a fire, which is beautiful. There's so many nice trees for the kids to go wander and explore, and so much more room as well. It's great. Riley's already climbed up that one. That's a good climbing tree. So that was really nice to see. We're gonna go check out the Bundaberg distillery. I think that's about an hour from where we are now. So Josh is very excited about that. And there's some craters, I think, to see as well, but we will take you with us, so make sure you keep watching. What are you making me this morning?
Coffee's off the grid.
How good is this?
The joys of a lithium battery and a big inverter.
Yes.
Pretty cool.
That is cool.
For anybody who's electrical knowledgeable, it's pulling 53 amps. It's a hell of a lot of power. Like we got our Paw Patrol spoon.
Espresso coffee machine. Delicious. How fun's climbing trees? Is it good fun?
Yes.
You don't mind being on video?
Oh, that's fine. Yeah, just $10.
Yeah.
$10 a video. What are you doing?
Filling the tanks up with water. We're too far away from the taps. I'm staying an extra night and the water's getting a bit low. So what I do is I just fill jerrys up. I've got a siphon hose here, a jiggler. Get that up higher than the water tank itself so that it flows. And then I just siphon that from there into there, fill the tanks up. Do that a couple of times. 3 times, you got 60 litres back in your tanks.
Lake Monduran, and we are heading to Tannum Sands. So we're going to be there for a couple of days before heading to Yeppoon. So super excited. Where are we off to, Riley?
And to the next event where I had a pool.
Yeah. He come back up and he said, look what I made, Mum. A banana smoothie. Can you tell me what's in it?
The strawberries and the banana.
The straw, yep. And your banana in Chloe's bottle. Very creative. Oh, she's awake. How good's this cock? Dad's making us scones.
Yes, I am.
You
know what? My nan would be proud of me because I'm going to put dates in a couple of them for date scones.
Thank you for watching our latest video. We hope that you enjoyed. Make sure you stay tuned and never miss out on an episode by hitting subscribe.